Alrighty, here we go. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Ruth and Wimpy's Restaurant in Hancock. Now hiring for all positions. As we get into things this afternoon, we've been watching for a little bit of fog from earlier this morning. It's tapering off now, but Bar Harbor had a little bit hanging around, at least for a little while, as well as down east over in parts of Washington County. But overall, we're going to be watching for a few chances for scattered showers and storms during the afternoon period. The chances have kind of backed off a little bit from earlier this morning, which is kind of some good news. So we could use a little bit of rain in a few spots, but as we zoom things out though, here's the area of low pressure right here that could give us a chance for a shower or storm during the afternoon period. Then we have a dry day or two in store before we watch for another system that'll start to track in our direction as well. But this is kind of the general idea of what we're looking at for the time being. So as we move forward though, here we are, a shower or storm possible this afternoon, nothing too extreme. Will then be mostly clear later on tonight with some areas of dense fog on the way. Then moving forward through your Thursday, a lot of sunshine, maybe a shower or storm in a few areas in the northern parts of the state. But for us, we're staying dry with lots of sunshine, so get outside and enjoy it. Further down to the south will be drier, but mostly clear later on tonight. What you're seeing right there is some areas of fog. So fog on the way again as we get towards Friday morning, and it could be thick in some spots, so we'll have to watch for that moving forward. As for chances for precipitation, nothing impressive though, maybe less than 1/10 of an inch in most spots, so before we're all finished up, at least through today. But running this all the way through the weekend though, maybe up to 1/2 inch in some areas before we're all finished up in the rainfall department, so nothing significant on the way anytime soon. Of course, it's humid out there too. Look at these dew points that are currently being observed or will be observed later on as well. We have lower to middle 60s on the way for the next several days, possibly getting close to 70-degree dew points by Monday, so be ready for that. That is why we're dealing with some areas of dense fog and some heat index values that make it feel a lot warmer than what it really is. The UV index forecast for today will be at an 8. It's very high, a burn time of 15 minutes, so even with any clouds today, be ready for that high UV index value. So hats, sunglasses, sunscreen, and shade will be necessary to avoid a bad sunburn. Average high temperature is 80 degrees. We have lots of 80s on the way for the next few days, but starting to cool off a bit by Sunday, Monday, and also in your Tuesday as we approach next week. So partly cloudy today, maybe a few scattered showers and storms on the way. Highs in the mid-80s. The north wind getting up to around 5 miles per hour. By tonight, mid-60s on the way, mostly clear. Some areas of dense fog on the way. South breeze at about 5 miles per hour. By tomorrow, mostly sunny, highs in the upper 80s, and it'll be humid as well. South breeze at about 5 miles per hour. Ruth and Wimpy's Restaurant extended forecast. So we are more showers and storms on the way Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Temperatures overall in the 70s and 80s with a dry day on the way as we head towards your Thursday.